8 underrated Chinese youth rom-coms that you must never miss out. Googling drama list will list out the most popular ones and miss out some hidden gems. If you are a true fanatic or just someone testing the waters, you must try these dramas which are not so popular but have excellent story and acting.
那他现在情况怎么样？
您尽快过来吧。
喂喂，
请移到5号候车过场。
快去快回。
谢谢啊。
Number 1 in our list is Unrequited Love. Being a secret admirer, Lu Ji has a secret crush on Huinai for 10 years. Being in an honest one-sided love, she gets admitted to the same university as Huinai. Her love begins to progress when he starts to notice her, but misunderstandings keep them apart.
接下来，让我们有请06级油画2班向泽毅和07级国画班叶子带来歌曲《可惜不是你》，大家掌声欢迎。
Number 2, Where the Lost Ones Go. Eiji and Zheng Jieyi fall in love during college, but Eiji becomes heartbroken when he suddenly leaves her. Years later, when they meet again, will Eiji forgive and accept him? The drama has a roller coaster of emotions and a good storyline.
只有笨蛋才注意不到吧？
什么意思啊？ 袁可真的是你画的？
Number 3, Big Boss. With new school year starting and with the thought of separating from her annoying best friend Amezu is extremely happy, but fate has different plans for her and they end up in the same class together. New feelings develop between the friends, making the drama hilarious and entertaining.
回去拿给你妈妈，
谢谢严博。
然后跟你妈妈说一声，那能省着点用呢，尽量省着点用。啊，是因为现在原料越来越难找了。
好。
Number 4 in our list is Love Like Mountains and Ocean. A rich household girl who has passion for ancient art meets two brothers at university. She also comes across her nanny's spoiled daughter who makes her life difficult. Her life gets complicated with new relationships and emotional change. The drama can be heart-wrenching and can leave you in tears with the last few episodes. Number 5, When We Were Young, a school drama set during 90s when Young Ji, a tomboyish girl, comes across a genius student who happens to be her classmate. He appears to be nonchalant and friendly but has problems of his own. A light and a realistic watch which depicts the beauty, joy and stress of being a teenager.
蓝色的。
Number 6, Arsenal Military Academy, a gender-blended drama where Zi Xiang joins army in her brother's stand by joining as a man. She meets the wealthy playboy named Gu Yanzhen who falls in love with her. The drama is set during World War I and portrays the political tensions that prevailed in China. Number 7, With You, a girl who enters the most prestigious school thinks she isn't smart enough to fit with her classmates. Soon she befriends the school's bad boy, her desk mate and other classmates. The drama follows the life of students, their struggles and emotions as they progress in life.
舍不得的话，再读1年高3呗，或者重新读高中。
那你还不如让我去死。
广播站是我们的，以后也会属于更多的人，我们应该感到高兴。副探长，你以后可是元老了。
对啊，我是元老了。
陆探长，你这张照片怎么那么丑啊？
蓝天野。
The last one in our list is My Youth. schoolgirl who works hard to grab the attention of her crush gradually falls in love with her annoying enemy. When she turns 28, she realizes that people with her when she was 18 are still the people around her now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below to watch the dramas with English subtitles.